What if I told you that love could defy time, captured forever in the elegance of poetry? Let's delve into the heart of Shakespeare's Sonnet 18, also known as Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day? Here, Shakespeare starts with a question, comparing his beloved to the warmth and brightness of a summer day. But quickly, he realizes this comparison just doesn't hold. Why? Because even the loveliest summer's day has its flaws. It can be scorchingly hot or marred by rough winds. And like all things in nature, it eventually fades away. But not the beauty of the beloved. Shakespeare sees this beauty as more temperate, more gentle, enduring beyond the brief span of summer. And here's the magic. By inscribing these feelings into verse, Shakespeare promises an eternal life for his beloved's beauty. As long as people read these lines, the beauty he admired will never fade, outliving even the poet himself. Through this sonnet, Shakespeare doesn't just praise beauty. He makes it immortal, transcending the sands of time with his enduring words.